Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Minecraft exit code 1. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to delete or disable outdated mods. So the exit code 1 error can occur due to outdated mods. So to resolve the error, check the Minecraft mods folder and delete it. So removing mods can break your worlds. So make sure to create a backup before attempting to remove any mods. So here's how you can do it. So first press the Window plus R button and simply type this following run dialog right here, which is present update preset and slash, and then click OK to open the update or the roaming folder in the file explorer. And then after that, you just open this folder right here, which is the Minecraft folder, and then open the mods folder inside the Minecraft folder. And then after select there, I click all the mods one by one, and then select delete. And then once all mods are removed, close the file folder and relaunch Minecraft to see if the error is resolved. And on the flip side, you may find some Minecraft levels broken upon launch, so you may also want to re-download mods to make further modifications. And then also what you can do is to repair Minecraft launcher. So you can fix common problems with the Minecraft launcher using the built-in repair options on Windows. So during repair, Windows will look for common issues and try to fix them automatically. So it will also delete the app's data. And to repair the Minecraft launcher, press your Window plus I to open the Windows and open the Apps tab on the left pane. And click on to the this installed apps and search for the Minecraft launcher. So as you can see here in the photo, and then next click on to the three dots beside the app name and select advanced options. So here's how this is the three dots, and then this is the advanced options, and then scroll down to the reset section and click the repair, as you can see here. And then Windows will perform a quick repair and show a check mark once the repair is complete. And just relaunch Minecraft Launcher and check for any improvements. And similarly, you can also repair your Minecraft game. So open Minecraft's advanced options and perform a repair in the settings app. And so that's it for this video. And I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.